Hi there everyone, this is Tracy from Lavinia Stamps and I am here to create a lovely tag here using our brand new stamps. This is Tumble, our lovely raccoon that's holding a lantern there. Nice, quick, easy card. I do love creating scenes on dark card, grey card and black card, as you will have seen before. I just find them very, very atmospheric. And just by highlighting with a touch of white and the yellow for the light, I think it just looks really, really effective. So I'm just going to show you now how quick and easy it is to create something like this. How quick and easy is that? A nice effective card, something different and very atmospheric. Thanks so much for watching, guys. You take care. Bye for now.